Welcome back, guys. This is Legit Lee back again with another update for you on my big custom 3D printer. As you guys can see, I brought me some NEMA 23 stepper motors, and the pulleys on them are actually welded on. So right now I'm using my cutter tool to actually cut the pulleys off. Now granted, I probably could have found a better way to do this, but I didn't have any other tools to cut the pulleys off of there, and I really needed to get them off so I could get just to the shaft of the actual stepper motors. Now it wasn't easy trying to get those cut off of there. I had to tilt them at the side that you can see here and actually get kind of close. Now I did clip the motors a little bit here and there, but for the most part they're still working good and they're still able to be mounted. As you can see, I'm cutting in 4 different angles. I start off with one cut, then I go to the other 3 on 4 different sides so I can get a pair of pliers to kind of pull the pulley off of there. It just takes a little while because it's so hard to get through all the metal. And then on top of that, I have to shave it down off of the actual shaft because it's all welded on there, so the metal has to be shaved down as well once I start ripping the pulley off. Right here I'm cutting at an angle so that way I can make a point out of the top of the shaft so it'll be easier for the coupler to slide onto it. Okay, you can see right here that I cut it down. It's looking really nice. You can see little nicks here and there on the shaft, but it won't stop me from being able to put the coupler onto the shaft there. Now that both of them are finished, we can start working on the couplers next. Now the couplers are a little tricky. They actually come with only 5mm to 8mm threaded rods. That's the ones that I bought anyway. And I need to actually have them be from 7mm to 8mm instead because my shaft on the stepper motor is actually at 7mm. So I have to drill a hole down the center to make sure I widen up that 5mm to 7mm. This just isn't going to work because of my setup. I just need to rethink this and try a different way. I found an old washer that is wide enough for me to actually use it to go over the coupler and actually mount it down with the table using my clamps. Now with this new setup, I can drill straight through the coupler without having to worry about the coupler flying off or anything like that. As you can see, I was able to drill straight through the coupler without any problems with my new setup. Now it is looking really nice, but I'm gonna have to run the drill bit one more time through the hole because I'm having a hard time getting onto the shaft, as you can see. So here we go, drilling again one last time, making sure that this time it will drill all the way through and making sure we widen up that hole just a little bit to make sure that the coupler can slide onto the shaft. As you can see, the coupler is looking great and we're able to get it onto the shaft without any more problems. And now you can see that both of my stepper motors are finished and both of the couplers are done and they're both looking great. Well, that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you need any tips or tricks or questions, I will definitely be there to answer them for you. I'll read every comment that's sent my way. I do appreciate everyone watching and subscribing to me, and I will be doing giveaways soon enough. I have been seeing a lot of flood of people come in and subscribing, and I do appreciate it. You guys, hopefully you are watching my videos because obviously you won't be able to win anything if you're not watching. And make sure that you stay tuned for these upcoming videos that I have coming out here shortly. And please don't forget to hit that notifications button because you're going to want to make sure that you're notified each time I come out with a new video for you.